this release is a great opportunity for such customers and organizations. With the possibility of the open source support we added for Linux and for PostgreSQL, the costs will be reduced a lot for our customers, and this is a big opportunity for them to start automate their processes with OCTO, and yeah, we're happy to have it out, and I'm sure we will make a lot of customers happy with it. I mean, until now, without AI assistant, it was not so easy to build a process without the technical know-how. So basically, you had to know how the platform works, and you had to know the activities and the possibilities you have in the platform. But now with AI assistant, it's pretty easy. So you just do like natural language prompting, and then the AI assistant knows the system perfectly, and he will translate your prompt into processes. He will build the processes for you, adding the right activities in the right sequence. So this is, I would say it's a game changer to how we're going to build processes in the future. Yeah, so I would say the biggest change that we did is move to the .NET 8 version. So we changed the framework below OCTO. This was quite a big deal for us, and in the end this offers us the possibility to run also on Linux or other operating systems. And for the customers, that means that they will be able to use OCTO for many years in their own environments, or even if they want to host it in the cloud. So we are much more, even more ready than before to run in cloud, to run in Kubernetes, to use all those AI technologies and AI integration. So this is a big step forward for the customers also for the next couple of years. They are on a good way if they use OCTO in their process automations.